but the numerator is doubled because it's adding and subtracting with both of these. So one thing you could do is you could make up numbers. Let's say your mass 1 was 2 and your mass 2 was 1, right? So this would be 2 times g minus 1g over 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 over 3, so this is 1/3 g. What if I were to increase m1? So now m1 is 3, and I kept m2 the same. This would be 3g minus 1g over 3 plus 1. Again, just substituting in, I just made up 2 and 1, but now it's 3 and 1 when I increased it. So this would become 2g over 4, which is 1/2 g. 1/2 is definitely bigger than 1/3, so see how you have a greater acceleration here? All right, now I want you to think through, if you were to increase m2, I'm still keeping m1 greater, but I'm increasing m2 from before, what would happen to your acceleration? So again, think through like physically, maybe not so much as, well, the equation's pretty easy here. So try this one, tell your partner. Okay, I hope you said that the acceleration would decrease. So the reason why, so think about the physical, I'll draw the diagram. We've got m1 and we've got m2 right here. m1 is greater, which means this is going to accelerate down, this one is going to accelerate up. The force that is causing the acceleration is this force of gravity counteracted by, subtracted basically, by this guy's force of gravity. So if I make these two closer together, there is a smaller difference between them, so that would mean less net force. You also could have thought about this guy's free body diagram. So if this guy's mass increases, this guy's force of gravity is going to increase. That is against the direction of the acceleration, so see how a bigger force down would mean a smaller net force here? So this guy has a smaller net force, so we'll have a smaller acceleration. This one is actually pretty easy to justify using your equation, because if this is increasing, see how you're subtracting more? You're getting closer to m1, right? It says increasing but not quite as much as, so you're getting closer to a difference of 0. These are becoming, if this one increases, you take away more, and the numerator will get smaller. Denominator increasing means the denominator gets smaller, both of which mean a gets smaller. So that one I'm going to have you justify, take a minute, write out. You have a couple ways to do it. You write your own explanation. You guys are going to finish off the rest of the packet for practice. There will be an answer key to ask the sub. Please make sure you are working. You need to practice on your own too.